Welcome guys, this is Optimal FX. This is the best strategy you can use to trade step index and make massive profit. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame and only two indicators you need. You need what? Only two indicators, MACD indicator and moving average. With these two indicators, you will make massive profit trading step index on 5 minutes time frame. Pay attention, I will show you the settings and I will show you how to make use of these indicators. Now, these indicators will show you where to make your entry and where to put your stop loss. Where to make your entry and where to put your stop loss. So pay attention, understand the settings very well, because understanding the settings is the most important thing. Once you understand how to set the indicators and understand how to apply it, you will be able to maximize your profits. Do you understand? With this strategy on 5 minutes time frame, you can start with $50 and grow it to thousands of dollars. So pay attention, I will release the secret to you. Like as I said, you need only two indicators, MACD indicator and the moving average. So let me show you how to do the settings. First of all, I need to delete the current MACD indicator. So this is how to set up the MACD indicator. Go to function. Now the first indicator is moving average. The first indicator is what? Moving average. So let me show you. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this button. So you choose moving average. You choose what? Moving average. So here is what? Moving average. You click on it. So this is what the settings for moving average. The period is 200. The period is what? 200. The method is what? Linear weights. Method is linear weights. Apply to close. So style 4 pixel. Choose the color of your choice. So this is for moving average. So once you're done, you hit done. So the next indicator is MACD indicator. The next indicator is what? MACD indicator. So to set up MACD indicator, you click on function, locate MACD indicator. So here is what? MACD indicator. So this is the default setting on my screen now, is the default setting for MACD indicator, but we want to set it so that it will serve us. So this is the default setting for MACD, but this is not what we want. So we click on it. We want to change some settings here. So first of all, change the fast EMA to 100. Do you understand? Then slow EMA, leave it at 26. Then MACD XMA, change it to 2. Now the last thing here is under style. Here demand changes to 4 pixel. Do you understand? Then choose the color. I choose this color. You can choose the color of your choice. So this is all you need to do what? To set up the MACD indicator. So once you are done setting it up this way, you can screenshot this or you write it down. Do you understand? So once you are done setting up the indicator, the MACD indicator, you click done. So let's go to our chart and see how. So this is it. This is our chart. Do you understand? Now the next thing is how to apply these indicators. How to do what? Use this. The indicator will show you where to put your stop loss. Do you understand? Where to make your entry and where to put your stop loss. Don't forget, this is step index, 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So this particular strategy is good enough to change your trading history. If you have been blowing your account with this strategy, I believe your issue of account blowing will be 10 of packs. Do you understand? So pay attention, understand every bit of this strategy. All right. Okay. This is how to make use of this indicator. Now let's start from here. So from this, from the side of MACD indicator, you see this crossing here. You see this crossing here. So when you see MACD, look at this. You see crossing here. Here is what another crossing. So this is how to make use of this indicator. This is how to make use of this indicator with moving average. Once you see this crossing moves down this way, this is what a uptrend. Look at this from the side of a chart is uptrend. When the MACD, look at this zero here. Look at this zero mark here. So once MACD crosses this zero mark downward, that is what uptrend. Do you understand? So, but there is a condition. There is one condition it needs to obey before you be sure. It must be above moving average. It must be what? The candlesticks must be what? Above moving average. Do you understand? So once the crossing occur in the side of MACD, the candlesticks must be above moving average. Do you understand? So this is how to make use of this. From this crossing here, look at this crossing. From this crossing here, you see that the candlesticks are above moving average. So this is how to make use of this indicator. Once the crossing occur, once the crossing occur at this point, you make your buy entry where it occur. Now your stop loss, this is where to put your stop loss. You put your stop loss where moving average is. So you make your entry here, then your stop loss is at the moving average. Do you understand? So that is it. The moving average will serve as a what? Stop loss. So let's see how the market plays. I see this is what a huge profit. This is what huge profit. Are you seeing it? All right. This is what huge profit. This is a 5 minutes time frame. So from here you see this. There is a crossing here. So the first condition is that the price must be below moving average before the crossing. Before the price must be below moving average while the crossing occur. So here now you can see that the crossing occur while the price are below moving average. Do you understand? Moving average, the prices are below moving average, and this is where the crossing occur. So you make your sell entry. You make your what? Sell entry here. Then the moving average should serve as what? As your stop loss. Your stop loss should be here. Your moving average should serve as what? Stop loss. Do you understand? So this is a huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is what? A huge profit. So we proceed. Now here is another crossing here. This is another crossing. You see where the crossing occur, the price is above moving average. Are you seeing it? So you make your entry where the crossing occur, and you put your stop loss where moving average is. This is the crossing. This is where you make your entry, buy entry, and you use the moving average as a location where your stop loss should be. Do you understand? So guys, this is what a huge profitable strategy step index 5 minutes time frame. To understand, it pays very well. So don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit and make their own profits. Thank you.